Then uBra wamang invite. Yo, man, that was crazy. You know, it's just me saying,
but it's not just only game because we take
which is what I saw even there. Which, you know, like most beautiful girls, bro. Yo, dog, they get the finest thing in life. That's why pretty privileged ikona, dog. Yeah.
And it also helps ke manje ukuthi si understand ukuthi why amantombazana is exposed kule yanto because sesiyayibona ukuthi yes
Sure.
kulula ukuthi uma intombazana encane enhle
No,
ubona
uluthe.
le yanto uluthe
Yeah.
lamantombazana lawa awahambanga because basmart okanye there's any other criteria than beauty.
Sure.
Yayizwa lento bahambe ngoba naku kuthiwa bahle banezinqe ezinkulu shuthi nami ngidinga iBPN
Banamanambaza, ama-followers.
manje ushaya ngazi ukuthi abashayeki wena.
Yabo. Mina sengikhuluma ngendlela enormal.
Why isho njalo wena? Why?
Yakumafote vele ufuna uyapi. That's my thing. Like, why?
Don't know,
Any
you
woman
can
for
tell
that
me.
matter. Who said that?
Ukuthini?
Ukuthi men babe
Men must
demand.
provide general.
For sake, what must provide now?
Hey, my friends, welcome to the East Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Ikabu Nkanyisa Nkomo, your host. Aniyayizwela nanivela ngihambi ngedwa. Sisemachiteni fanda. Kodwa lapho.
Nanga impela sesikanje. Ins podcast, Pethu People Shepa. Yes, buyile. Yeah, it feels good to be back in the seats once again. Yanyiwa. Imashile. Correct.
Ayisemahlanyeni sibuyile sonke. uThedi obhontshile.
Oh, yeah.
Wekho.
Potshisi.
Amabhizi wenzani manje?
Efethu, awukahle
Coffee beans,
wena.
kusho aphi, man?
Manje uthi phela uThedi obhontshisi.
Ay.
Potshisi mopa.
Ama-coffee beans.
Ma-coffee
Cha,
beans.
ngibona esibhedi izandla.
Hayi bo,
Fethu,
uThedi.
Befusha inverted comma.
But uthi kanje.
Yeah, phela kanti ufuna
Ngokuthi-
ufuna
Athi ubhontshisi.
Dog.
Potshisi.
Dog.
Potshisi.
Leke awumancane. Kangona mfethu.
Ah, sure, correct. Potshisi.
Awe andile Ace wakangcoba Ace Makashule Shulex Mesenoth.
awezaseno. Yes.
Hey, sawushuke.
Ngathi kuzomele sidle njalo la ku-podcast ngencane amadlile.
Semahlanyeni.
Asisencane. No, ngempela mfethu azoshephadeshile. It's nice to be back. Not that bengekho mnandi phela khona uBeast. Mina I was happy with the episode. Bengikreni ngakho. Angimazi ukhuluma ngani uShepiri.
No,
But nje-
be grand.
No sengiyasho nje ukuthi hayi but mhlambe kukreni ukuthi sihlangane. Oh,
Uthi
iresethi
uBra
bingekho
we.
ka.
So, phela singaphelele.
Awufethu.
Potshisi
Awu.
lapha.
Kwababuzayo mfethu uThedi ukuphi be? Ubachazele ngoba sichazanga last week.
Angisekapa mfethu ngisekapa.
Ezinje
Bekunama besosta ama National Breast Championship.
Shepat ebebhukele Camps Bay.
Unamanga.
Chazela. Yabo nje belibelethe iKapa nje unqona ukuthi bengise Camps Bay kahle ngoba phela iCamps Bay neKapa hlukile. Manje omunye umuntu iKapa ucabanga ikhaya elihle.
Akuya kakhulu phela, hey.
iCamps Bay neStarbucks.
Awupontshisi.
Bebedlala ngawo lapha eStarbucks.
Awu-
Awuchaze bethi bonzana ume nje manje.
Ayisachazile shepa bezala ngobhontshisi mfethu eCamps Bay mfethu.
International.
Zithini manje? No, mfethu besosta ama National Breast Championship yabo. So sikhawuni champion ezowazi ukuthi iyosimela
Starbucks
ezumzansi.
phela. Mina
Yeah.
ukuthi Starbucks. Manje
Hayi,
ngithona
bethe hayi
national.
bangasijwayela bafaka coffee la. Ugcwale ngathi.
Oh ngempela futhi
Absolutely,
sitshela
bamemeza
labantu
futhi,
bakho
bayibuka.
futhi ukuthi bayeke batshela ukuthi une-podcast
Sponsorishe
manje
la.
abazosponsorisha.
Yeah, fake
Yabo
i-coffee la.
ngibuka ngiphuza i-coffee lisicheke kanjani.
Yabona nje.
Alibrandanga nokubrand.
Ubuzela kuphi?
Mfethu alibrand kube khona ama-beans or
Sure.
something.
Yeah,
Vele
bafake.
asishibizi kodwa akungcole la.
Akuphithizele etafuleni.
Qala ubhontshisi
Gcwale
la.
ubhontshisi. Bathweke phezu kwetafula. Correct? Nangempela.
Okay, so manje sivumelana
Check
ngokuthi
ubhontshisi.
so uthi sivumelana ngokuthi umuntu into abhizi ngayo akucace etafuleni.
Yana icamera mina sengiyibekile.
Correct.
Awusho
Purple
ke
Shepherd.
nangamabhuku shepherd
Khona
wabeki.
incwadi khona incwadi. Funa imali.
Hayi, for a fact ukuthi nje.
Uyabuza shepherd
Funani,
funani
for-
imali
For
funa
a
steak.
fact, yeah,
Funa
abe
steak.
steak.
Okay, next podcast. Just withdraw steaks yes back.
Nakia.
Just to
Yabona
display.
manje. Siyakhuluma ke lapha. Usivale ngeBitcoin phezulu.
Manje ayiprinting. Shothi uzobeka ifoni ne-bank balance eBitcoin.
Angengikwazi. Yeah, ngiyiveza. Ngiyafisa ukuyiveza. But it's not safe out here. Sure.
Sharp.
Ya mfethu bengithi uzaqhubeka ukubona ngithulile
No bro,
Down
my
to
ngoba ngisho fethu Starbucks National Barista Championships.
Yeah.
Besikhana our national champion ngo August. Yahamba yos represent eLondon angithi yabo. And yeah, savele siphushe sebenze kanzima.
Sikhuluma
Ukuze
ngezinto
abuye
enjena
nayo,
ke
mfethu.
bafethu. Mfethu sikhuluma
Abuye
ngezinto
nayo,
enjena.
mfethu.
Ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi kunamathuba kanje ukuthi ungadlala i-competition yemsebenzini uhambe eLondon.
Sure.
Ngiyacabanga.
Uhamba udlula, msho kuyadlula futhi naseLondon akupheli.
Yes.
Emva kwalapho uma usubuya eLondon usuyibambile isicoco usushaya amathosi uhamba ubuka ama-coffee farms nananana ushaya experience.
Lapho cabanga njengoba de host ama nationals thina ngala Las Vegas bekoma global championships. Las Vegas
Global.
ulandwe kugcwalisa stadium mfethu iBhuku stadium.
Damn.
Abasebenzi base-Starbucks
Yeah.
necoffee.
Coffee
Yeah.
kuphela.
And
Yeah.
Vethu the winner, the global champion uzobe traveler visiting ama Starbucks roasteries all 6 emhlabeni wonke.
Mina ke ngivume iMilan la amanye anginandaba nawo.
Baba Milan, Chicago, Seattle, Tokyo,
Mhlawumbe singaxoxa ngeSeattle ngoba phela ila yazalwa khona lento yini kodwa la amanye.
lalela. Zinika isikhathi wacheck uzoyibona into engikhuluma ngayo bra.
Usho ukuthi plan ukudlula iMilan ukuthi
Bra
igoqe
wami.
kakhulu
Bra
iMilan.
one. Bra
Bafethu
one.
bafethu yazi abantu abangal-understand ukuthi icoffee lijule kangakanani. Awuziphi isikhathi nje mhlawumbe ukuye noma ku-Instagram ukucheck nje usearch iMilan Coffee Roast. Lithini ngami page labo?
Yeah, Milan
Sesibaplugga
Coffee.
nje
Starbucks
ke.
Milan Coffee.
Just nje ukubona ukuthi inini lesihlangisa ngecoffee lena wena othi mawuyibheka ungayi-understand. Awusearch wakukhombisa ukuthi ipage lasemilan? Yes, sesikwenziwe ezinye izikushaya into kanje. Yabo le mpahla engishaya lapha ethweni ungacabanga ukuthi sichege lesangithi no. It's intentional kumele ngazi ukuthi short ya something yabo kuleze ithanda utshwala.
Impahla yathi imbiza.
Angisazi.
Yeah, it's a stock. It's coffee. Now it's imbiza mhlawumbe. Kodwa
Lapho
belukhothisi.
we enjoy lapho wena. We enjoy
Yabo nje bese
uyamazi nje. Lokish, uyamazi nje. Uyamazi.
Makashule wena besithini ke weekend ubukuphi vele?
Yeah, bengikhona around.
Bungekho la edubana unamanga. Namanga. Unamanga. Ebengekho eThekwini. Ubukuphi?
Ngabile athi shuya kancane ngaphinde yabo bengiseyislandani. Friday bengikhona beshoot video for amagear. Set amagear for imali. Then Saturday saya Saturday saya East London kodwa. Yeah. We're on Monday, on Sunday.
Shayo Saturday on buye
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Lama flats kanti enzeke nini eStern Cape?
Over the weekend, ne?
Anje phela sina ithi asiye endaweni nama flat.
Yenzeke emthatha.
Yakuphi makashulu.
Ubuza phela.
Wahamba.
Egqeberha.
Kanti enzeke kuphi?
Yenzeke emthatha.
Besemthatha.
Semthatha, yeah, semthatha. Semthatha.
Yeah, but yeah. We're Monday.
Monday. Ashukiza was East London. Phela uzokuphethe lokunjani lapha yasithe bana ngale mnyango zamakashula sana
Speech
indaba
Bebe makashulu. Makashulu deliver baba.
Those who face London emini.
Ayafika.
Swengo 10 la.
Ayafika kodwa Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape.
Amaxhosa.
Yeah, akhona.
Ayanyeni.
Kweli area yawo, akhona.
Ayanyeni.
Swenga wo 12 emini. Ngaswisha. Avuka ngabo 7 ntambama sihamba sathi sisipana khona swala sipana khona sayishaya le ticket away ke ne outtime sisipana phiwe sagcina silalela ngo 5
Bra uthi uhambile mfethu.
Experience, le.
So kusanesikhathi sokulala.
hayi so ayikho into esukuzoyenza wazi muntu phela lapha
But
Explore the place first.
kanjani
Mfethu.
Hey, usayistay in Cape.
Awuphumile? Huh?
Usayistay in Cape. Amaxhosa emahlanga. Washa amehlo.
Explore mfethu indawo mfethu. Ungagcini la uyosebenzela khona kuphele lapho. Indawo yabo opportunity le.
awuzokujaja utheni na uthola ukuthi akenzanga 4 nje bese Cape Town.
What do you mean?
Wenzeni nje bese Cape
Yeah,
Town?
good question, eh? Hey, nambambe.
Ayikho
Nambambe.
Hey.
mina ngithe ikhala ngithe ngifika nje
Ehe.
zakhala
Ikhona local coffee shop nje oyile kuyona. Oh, uthi ubhizi emsebenzini nawe explain ngani?
yeah the zikhala nje mfethu
Oh,
slender nje
okay.
set up the next day championship the whole day and then ama finals on Friday
Oh, understood.
so nje yeah through and through
Kodwa AC ke nawe ulala kanjani?
phela thina
Noma
besikhathele
usuyaborekile
Thina
usijwayele.
besikhathele let's be sebenza the day before
Yeah.
whole day mengithi whole day from 8 in the morning until azashow
Sebenza ku Blight Duban.
beshoot video like
Oh, benishuthi video na after video.
sahamba sayokuspana amanye ama-gig and the next day ngo-8 bengisuka endlini senge-airport
Sure.
yeah ngafika besuka ngo-10 fika ngabo-12 yeah sifike ngabo-11 at 11:15
Yeah.
yeah ngalala-ke check-in salala ngaphapha late umzimba ukhathele strong
Kusho ukuthi indoda ekhonza ukulala bafethu mhlamba kalalanga naye yedwa ngeke sazi
Nanokuthi
nokulala
ayikho-
ukuthi kuphi ungamjaji Thethu mhlawumbe
Judge
bengalele yedwa.
bembuza.
isilanda
Judge
nayinazi indawo
ngiyabuza,
ngazi ukuthi mfethu uyayi-check yabo
Hayi ayikho leyo.
hayi ngeke bese ungayaphi lapha
Ayikho kodwa lento yonto engazi indawo nendawo ihlezi.
Nazi
Andazi
into
phela uzothi angiphume ngemoli-ke amamoli ngiyawazi mfethu uzophuma ngiwenza namamoli atswebla imoli entswempe e-State Cape engayiboni isewona bani eGqeberha
No, East London.
uyona enkulu-ke ngayibo enozara ya ngabona ukuthi hayi
Oh, inkulu ngoba inozara.
yaqala ngozara ukuthi
Dake manje.
hayi machine
Dake manje.
hayi manje ngempela
Imagine.
ngempela ngempela imagine
Manje kakhulu. Imagine. Sheffield pesa was your weekend wena pesa yawu ngomone yes.
No, my weekend was good, man. We had a session with Tamar. It's a live conversation on Saturday. It was really dope. We had one of the psychologists in Durban, black female. She's got a practice in Mhlanga, and she was one of our guests. You know, as Fundisa about mental health, and it was really dope. And yeah, man, that was my weekend. And then Upra Among invite. Hey! Yo, man, that was crazy. You know. So
Invite aku bro.
no, invite we Sasso's house party.
Yeah,
House party. Or
Sasso's
something.
house
Yeah,
party,
we had to say Grayville. At first, when he invited me, I said, "I was, I need machine. There's no doubt." But then I was like, "Nah, fuck it, let me go." So yeah, it was great, man. The great experience. I haven't been to City Angie, I think, for the past 9 to 10 years. But it was really good, man. Yeah, so that was my weekend. I think that was the highlight of my weekend, besides what happened during the day with our session, because now it was really dope, man. Got cool. So, yeah,
what was your highlight
What happened
with
with
Sassol's house
my highlight.
yeah
One thing, dog. I think, no, not one. I think there are 3 things, main thing. One, because because I think there were so many things that I've but kuluma based on the experience I had 10 years ago while I was namang sahambe busuku, you know?
yeah
2 was that lapha manje it's all about egos, you know what I saw there ukuthi amagrotmane a compete neintwana yabo
yeah
in terms of who's got the money, who's got the best girls, who's got this, you know. But back then in our days, it was all about ubalo dansa kahle, ubalo qowa kahle. Hayi manje imashila, usona nokuthatha nokuma, yabo sokhuluma imali manje ukuthi who's got the most, you know, hottest girl. And the ones that have the hottest girl in their tables because banenyuku. Yabo. So it was all about egos. 3. And I realized ukuthi zihlingana ebusuku. Tsak, 4 sacks zihlingana zasethekwini. 30.
Umsindo
Hlaxoshwa-ke
kwasale episode izobe inomsindo ongakanani ukwazi u-editha le sound. Hayi boshefo. No, but I get the point. No, I understand the problem.
Yeah, I think those were like the main highlights for me.
Yeah. No, but mina on your point, I was happy to ibonile.
Yeah,
Because that was my
definitely.
main purpose.
Sure,
Ngize
sure.
Wait, awuqhamuke so that uzoyi-experience
Yeah.
lento so that mase sikhuluma ngayo.
Yeah, for real.
Kungabi into esikhuluma ngayo based on into esingayazi.
Sure.
Because phela i-access isinayo thina it's different compared to omunye umuntu
Yeah.
onormal nendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo.
Yeah.
Because omunye umjida mhlambe oyihlalela ekasi manje ucabanga ngisa sosawa mhlambe angafika namajita mhlambe afford lelo tafula le. Then they do not get to see
Ayikhohlwa.
kanjani.
Afford itafula. Elokishini nayo.
Yeah, they do.
They do.
They do.
Bakhona ba.
Akhona amajita akhamba.
Oh la lapha ntayo ngempela la.
Yeah, ababizi kakhulu. Mhlambe the lowest is like 10,000
Okay.
for a table.
Sure.
I
So if there's
was
10,000,
checking
then
Lulu lapho ku social media saso check amatafula.
10,000 for
Yeah,
5 people.
namajita
So,
phantayo ke wona.
so
la.
But
about
it's just
2,000. Yeah, and then you get a table for 10,000. Comes out with drinks, I think. Mhlambe bar tab of 10 or maybe a bar tab of 8,000. The others 2,000 is for maybe accreditation.
Sure.
So mhlambe it accommodates abantu about 8 maybe, for example. I'm making an example.
Yeah, but my event manje asashower plan kanjani? Akusadayisa ithikithi lokungena sekuvele kudayisa itafula. Ukuthi wena kulelo tafula uthola amathikithi okungena bese uthole neplug.
Yeah.
So usuyazi coming in ukuthi
Already you sorted.
ususorted usungabhampa ke uma usuzwa ngazo
And then,
ukuthi groove.
Phela, obviously, when you
Umjobile
get that bottle or maybe bottle mixers or 2 bottles and mixers,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then maybe after, then you decide. ukuthi
iqalazi
ufuna
ikhombe yakhona thethu ukuthi ime kanjani nangoku utheni.
Ngibone ya
15 table lihamba nani lo
15
tafula?
abo 8.
Yeah, you understand. So
Elokuqala
it's like,
ilona elokuqala elu 15.
Cheapest,
Yeah,
ne?
I'll check
That's the
it.
cheapest.
15,000, 8 tags, 8 sitter lounge, one.
Hayi ama-lounge la kunama cocktail table phela lapha amanye.
Yeah, no, they don't sell cocktail
Oh,
tables.
uyayingenela
Yeah,
nje.
they sell lounges. They start from lounges.
Yabo.
So it comes out with 8 sitter. It's an 8 sitter lounge, one Veuve Clicquot Brut, Hennessy VSOP, 6 Amstel, 10K bar tab.
Ha mfethu singadwadla lapha.
Hayi bezingangena izinje.
Ha singangena shembathi siphethe wena.
Amakhanti.
No bala. Kancane.
Kodwa yabo kodwa ukuthi akhona ama cocktail tables. So ama-art angakwazi ukufika.
of course.
But
In most
inkinga
cases, cocktail tables are for walk-ins.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you have, there's something called fillers sometimes.
but
Those
inkinga
are
isaso sawo sigcwala.
Yeah.
Ingekafiki nokufika even bathi bisebazi nje sebeyazi ukuthi amatafula bawadayisile.
Like that's how you measure a success of the event.
Yeah,
so
through
you
how
sell
many tables, yeah,
and
yeah.
then the walk-ins you don't really care about them, but you know it's they coming.
Yeah.
So you don't count
Makes
those.
sense.
As long as I sold 10 tables, I
Yeah.
know which I've made my money. So there's more money coming with these people abazofika as walk-ins.
Yeah.
So mhlambe wenza amatafula u-10 and then after now you are forced to make more tables because there's demands for abantu abazofika. yabo.
It
So
makes
already,
sense.
let's
Like,
say
make
if we
good
move 400,000,
business sense, yeah.
you've made your 400,000. Mine say it's a matter of wakamanye and then make more money. Yeah.
It makes sense. Make business sense. Because imagine doing an event, abantu balobetsa ngamasavana nga-1,
Yeah, yabo.
nga-2,
Doesn't make sense.
nga-3. Okay, good talk. Yeah.
Uyacabanga mfethu usubize DJ aba-serious usulanda oKelvin Momo.
mfethu.
Abantu bafika bathenga nga-1 Savannah,
No.
siya nga-1 beer,
No.
siya nga-1 what.
Yeah, my shorts, I need double.
Exactly, bro. You know?
Not ibhodlela acele nje i-double shot ne-dash.
Yeah.
Abambe lo dash.
Ayi besiwa laphana mfethu lokhu ingane ezile nama-lights kubuhlihlihlihle.
Hlihlihli
Le nto lana
nja.
ngithi.
So manje usho Bram.
Le nto lana engiyihalelile la mpahla leyana.
Uthi Bram?
Angangihlezi ngisho yabo. I remember ngisoze ngenza lamasimba la mina ngifunda shit. Kodwa tema ngiyibuka this thing feels good. No, honestly. You know,
Phela
there's certain
vele,
things. No, there's certain
phela
things.
vele
No,
wena,
there's certain
umuntu
things.
oyikho
Yeah,
vele.
khona izinto oyishoyo ngoba nakhu.
I was wadlula.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then when you musuyibuka we both, hey, this feels good. Dog. Like the attention, dog.
And
Like, that you
iyakufanele,
get.
bro.
And ney'ngane ke lapha ey'njani ke ehlizayo.
Hayi akufanele
Not
futhi
ingwaphi
wena.
njengasile. But I'll never
Yakufanele
do
uwena.
it. No, but I'll never do it, man. But you.
But uwena.
No.
Uwena.
No.
Mina ngiyakubona nje
Nah.
sebenza kanjeni uhlihlishi
Nah,
bakuze kuwena.
Nah.
Kuzala uShepard.
wena makashona ushepard
wese uqhamuka kuleya era yokudansa uzobe idansela mlaleli
Shawu sweet.
ngicabanga sekuyeke uphethe itafula mhlawumbe uphethe la 10 okanye la 50 itafula kugcwele gcwele thina nabantu la ushepiri uhleli kanje phezulu aphinda sokumadansa ahlehla uyena phela ngithiza ngayo.
Hey, that thing is tempting, dog. Like, I think, but it's a good experience
Yeah.
in terms of what do you want to feed your ego. And the good backbone, yeah, fuck it, now you're fucking life. Like, really, you know, because the attention that that thing brings to you, bro. Everybody wants to see who is this guy, like what they're all about, and then it's like, the whole club stands, bro. That's huge. You know, like ego yakho lapha iphezulu lapha. Now imagine if you have a product that you are selling, while everybody's paying their attention. The next thing was push it there. Why the attention? Say yeah, sure. I'm
No,
just
yazi abantu abayishaya kanjalo
Yeah.
ama-Nack Boys. Khona iy'ntwana
Yeah.
engiy'folosha zaphesheya ama-Nack Boys. So bane-happy dead salsa. So bona uma befika kuma-club amakhulu kufika isayini yabo
sure.
instead ukuthi kufike isayini.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good marketing
So
strategy.
so
basically. Yeah.
bayisebenzisa
but
kanjalo.
they also do it in Durban.
Okay.
Yeah, they have like a, for example, there's a
Bakupersonalize.
yeah, they personalize your name.
Okay.
Mozambique.
Yeah, that's dope.
i-rich yayishaya
Yeah,
lapha
i-Rich.
i-rich
And in Joburg,
yayibhala ibhodi kwibhodi yayibhala igama lakho.
Yeah.
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 But
ukuthi-
that's dope.
Bakumemeze nakwimike lapha.
Now that, you see that I can do if I know what I'm gonna make money. Tari, I be like new ngempela.
Yeah.
That close.
So
But Pela, you don't make money
they even
like
give you
that.
like exclusive toilets. If
Yeah, I
pay
think you should
for-
go on. If
for the
I'm
most
pushing it,
expensive table.
sure.
Yeah.
If I'm
Most
pushing a
expensive
certain brand or product, then I'll definitely do that.
But I think leya shambos leyana mina ngokokwami, I think it's for leisure and for fun.
Yeah.
And then when it comes to business, then usunga networker nabantu.
Sure.
Like for example, what you do is let's say kunamajito ofuna ukwenza nayo business now. Yabo, you invite them to that space, uthenga itafula,
Sure.
uba host.
Yeah.
And then when uma hostile usungabiza izingane amantombazana okanye osisi ukuthi nihlale nabo or else umuhluleka kukhona abantu okwazi ukubafonela ubacela ukuthi ngicela ningiphathele nginetafula endaweni yokuthi cela ningiphathele yabo.
Oh, khona abantu kanjalo.
Yeah, khona abantu abanjalo abashaya ibhizinisi elikanjalo.
Okay.
Bona nje uyafika naye futhi mhlawumbe ahlale nawe okanye umtshe uthi afethu uma uyishile nje ku-grand but mhlawumbe for safety nanokuthi abanye amantombazana afile comfortable uzodinga ukuthi abe khona naye. Kube into kanjani then seniyanetwork lapha nishibizela yabona iyabonakala ukuthi ni grand nani kuba into kanjalo ibusiness but not to advertise yourself sometimes kubantu abakhona ngaphakathi but kodwa uyakwazi you can hop into table mawubona samano interesting
Yeah.
ngoba uhalela ukwenza na ibusiness usocialize kanjalo that's how you get to network yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, like for example for us thina mawukuthi uyahamba kuleyo promote ofuna ukuya kuyona okanye khona umuntu one-brand thizeni like for example brand yotshwala okanye uyambona uhalela ukuthi angayidinga iservice yakho uyam-approach uzi-introduce
So do you think like that setting you can really meet someone that can give you business?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, kwi-entertainment industry isikhathi esiningi.
Okay.
But kodwa khumbula-ke you'll have to remember ukuthi isaso's house ayifani ne-club.
Okay.
Because isaso's house i-daytime event.
Okay.
So i-event but sometimes abantu bayakwazi ukuyi-classify quickly as i-club because of phela nabo kumele benze i-profit ekugcineni kumele kudayiswa amabhodlela yabo. So uyakwazi nawo abantu aba-serious abahalela i-vibe ukugroove let's say kunomuntu o-serious ofuna ukwenza ibhizinisi naye ungamhambisa lapha it's not like kunobudlobongela okanye kunezinto ezi-inappropriate ezenzakalayo ngaphakathi uyabona nje ukuthi it gets fun when it's
Yeah,
fun.
no, like even with security as well. You know, I saw it, which is very important when it comes to such things because we've been on this podcast kulumanga about ukuthi bunzima and for women to be safe at night and all of that.
Yeah.
So when I got there, bro, like Gingena and JK18, securities were there. You know, went up. The guys were very friendly. So security was there. You know, visible too. You know, So, which is very important because impilo yasebusuku mfethu inkinga if security ngekho. Because we have seen people bethintwa noma kanjani nabanye beshona because of impilo yasebusuku, which is another thing that I also bekade mina ngistrugglisha ngayo yabo with impilo yasebusuku because we've seen dog ukuthi nightlife sometimes not sometimes, in most cases abantu abaningi abalimalayo or nabashonayo iningi labo bashona ebusuku and it's weekends, and so my thing is it was that thing of looking at it as like ish mohamba le yampilo ama chances maningi ukuthi ulimali. We've seen abanye bedubleka kwimpilo yasebusuku and then impilo iqhubeka, nobody get hold accountable, especially the guys from the club scenes and all of that. They should account now to the things that are happening in Guyana, you know what I mean? So my question is it that you babe more responsible of his safety abantu since they are also providing fun and yonke lento? So should we say the guys must make the place more safer for their clients but these people are bringing money.
And they can do as much as they can.
Sure.
Because because abantu phela they try to they always find ways to bypass some systems.
Sure.
But now what they do, they try to make sure with the security ikhona tight, yabo. But they're not to yabazi noma ngathiwa kugcwele kangana mase befuna ukwenza into yabo bazoyenza. But then bese ibe tricky kumuntu o host event. Like for example, ngike ngabuka i-podcast le ebenohulu. Yabo? Uyabona uma usuyibuka kwi-perspective yakhe, you get a different perspective if something happens at your own establishment.
Sure.
Because kuba ngazi ukuthi manje wena ovumelane leyo nto and you must take the losses ezoqhamuka ebhizinisini. You must take kumele u-account wena, but wena wenzile okwakho bongakwenza. Like ama-bodyguards aney'bhamu akhona emnyango. Akhona ama-bodyguards aney'bhamu ngaphakathi. So mase kwenzeka into la, what else can you really do?
Tricky, dog. Like,
Yabo, what else can you really do? Because you've done as much as. Do you get what I'm saying though?
I hear you though.
And futhi ukhumbule ukuthi uma ungena kulezi ndawo ibhamu abasivumi. Ngisho noma ngathi uyinja kangakanani awungeni kwi-event uphethe isibhamu, awungeni awuvumelekanga naseclubini awungeni eclubini uphethe
But
isibhamu.
what happens to those guys that have bodyguards that go to the club?
Abangeni
Leave
nebhamu
them outside.
ngaphakathi.
Abangeni?
you know what I always say this in a
As
club,
gay in a club
in
in
a
a
club,
club.
except for alcohol, we are all equal. That's why if
So the
I
only
always-
thing that's why
yeah.
besparka kakhulu abantu benzani bentshontsha abantu makuphunywa ngaphakathi, there's nothing much that you can really do. Ukwazi ukwenza lokho okwazi ukwenza, not ukuthi yeah,
Also
even
for every section there's like a security next to every lounge.
for example itafula netafula lino security ogadile. If kulelo tafula nehleli namantombazana kwenzeka into enga-understandeki, they intervene okanye babiza i-backup.
Okay.
It's not like bona kuba wala. That's why peaceful kangaka lama event. But bese kodwa kube nezinto ezenzeka outside. Because izinto eziningi zenzeka mase kuphuka. Yabona sikaphunya egate okanye emnyango. Hayi. Usuke sekuwokwakho phela lokho. You came in now phela. Awubhukhanga ama-bodyguard azokugada la if ubungenawo. So ubona kwabo they can do as much.
So, but do you feel safer if you go into a club?
I
at night?
mean, I feel safe except ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingantshontshela ifoni okanye ngingantshontshela ikhamera ngingantshontshela, but not ukuthi khona umuntu enye into futhi abangayenza umuntu angaphahlaza ibhodlela kugwazi kunezinto ey'kanjalo. But not kodwa ukuthi sengaze ngibanjwe gunpoint ngeke lezi zinto ezikanjalo zingwarishi kakhulu, but angawahamba ama-club kodwa ngake ngawashaya and ngake ngawashaya at the highest level. La uthi uyafika khona ayivets bake bangiphathe osakhile vets nabonelisa akangiphilisa amajita. Iyabona lapha ngase ngibona ukuthi ngiyaphuma ke endleleni. Ngifike edubani indaba yeshiba ngingeni, indaba yeclub ngingeni. Amajita vele athi ayathi kuphathe. Awufike nje awufike uright noma kuthiwa uphuzo ozobona.
Yeah.
Fethu shipping ngase ngingene ezingigaqile kangaka. Ihenisi ngase ngiyithenga ngiyibeke la endlini ngiyishayile Steve. Ngakhumbula ukuthi man angishibizi. Angidako. Vele futhi ngangayithengela ukudaka ukuthi babeyidesha kamnandi. Babekwazi ukuthi futhi bayidesha Henesi uyizwe ukuthi imnandi, yabo. Njengoba ngiwumuntu othanda ijuice and enjoy it like that. But nje yabona ukuthi ngakhumbula but ngayishaya ngendlela ukuthi uyabona ukuthi yabo iclub ishayiwe ke manje. Into kanjani.
Yeah, ne? So my thing. I hear what you guys are saying, but
Yeah.
I still say, I feel like they should do more. In terms of like making sure that the place is safer. Especially for women, because we know that the stat says 1 out of 3 of the women get harassed in clubs. In South Africa, and so we find the Gucci most of the killings that happened over the weekend sukenzeka kubantu abasuke bephuma endaweni zobumnandi.
But
Ama-accident.
uyibeka kahle
Bayibeka
baphuma.
wathi
Yeah.
baphuma
Yeah.
ey'ndaweni not ey'ndaweni.
Yes,
Not
angaqedi.
Yeah.
I say that to say ukuthi also nayo leyo nto iba nomthelela in terms of lezi zinto ebekade sikhuluma ngayo in the previous episode, the other one that we had, in terms of GBV and people getting killed, amachita now, yonke leyo nto, ukuthi I think there should be more awareness too, in terms of these substances that people take. Ukuthi we must be aware ukuthi njengoba tuchaza nje manje indaba ye-limit yokuthi uyishaya kanjani, there should be a limit in terms of indlela abantu abayiphatha ngazo lezi zinto yabo, so that we can create a safer society when it
Phela
comes to
izinto
this.
ey'ningi zisuke sezikuwena shepherd. Ile nto yayichaza u-Ace ukuthi yabona u-Ace wayezama uku-emphasize ukuthi i-responsibility bakuwena as umuntu.
Yeah.
Wena iba responsible for yourself. Otherwise i-space as it is, yabo i-club as it is, i-right. But uma ungekho responsible uzohlangana nama-vultures angempela, izinto ezokutshontsha zokuripha zikubulala. Abantu abangenanhliziyo. So then kumele uhlezi u-alert ukuthi mfethu these things can happen. Uhlala etafuleni labantu abathembayo, uhlala nabafana abathembayo, wazi kahle ukuthi lo ngisafe uma ngiseduze kwawo. Hhayi ukuthi ubuye uyodayisa udayisela abafana ongabazi futhi nasekudayiseni. Nawe umjidi wahamba uyohlala ematafuleni abafana. Uwazi kahle ukuthi u-afford ibhiya lapha usuhlele etafuleni. Ucabanga ukuthi bazokuphuzisa amashampeni bakuncengeni bakwazi lapha. Now we out responsible. Unemali yokuza eklabhini, unemali yokuthenga utshwala bakho, unemali yokuzihost. Uma uyintombazane hamba nabangani aba-right abakugadile, unemali yokuthi futhi ugibele uphu goduka uye ekhaya. So those are the things ezidinga, but bona abanye abantu abekho responsible for wena. Just like a normal day when you go to a restaurant. Akho umuntu onendaba nawe ozoba responsible for wena. Uwena as umuntu omdala. Waqala wathi 18 unfortunately. Manje ke sebehlupha bengale kwa 16 ingqondo yakakwazi liso nokureasonisha sebefuna ukuya eklabhini. Ubona utshwala bamahhala usucabanga ukuthi eklabhini siphiwe utshwala bamahhala. Kanjani? Kuphi? Uncengweni. Ngoba umuhle wena uzothola utshwala bamahhala ayisebenzi leyo.
Yeah, which is what I saw even there. Which, like most beautiful girls, bro. Yo, dog, they get the finest thing in life. That's why
Just
like
for
pretty
Baba.
privileged icona, dog. No icona, bro. You could see those girls that were drinking fine champagne.
Baphatheke kahle.
Behleli grand, be right because bahle. And then in my mind, I'm thinking of intombazane nje fethu uphuthu nje uma ukuthi yona I should take qualify. Bahleka labo lo. Ibhlungu le nto lana fethu. Uma ibuka la nto fethu because uyabona fethu intombazane enhle fethu yazi somehow dog. Impilo yayo fethu yazi ama chance ambalo ukuthi struggle emhlabeni.
But bro, mletho le I feel like ayenzeki kuma-Machi Road even nama-gang.
Yeah.
Kunama-gang mfethu nje mfethu anokuthola izinto
Yeah.
sharp ngendlela azipresenta ngayo. Clean, good looking gents and stuff, and nabo babe sharp. Into neyifunayo oyilwelayo wena ungayishayisa.
kodwa abafana kuli.
Yeah, but it's more for bona abantu besifazane.
Abafana
Yabo.
ingophela
But namajita na ikhona iyenzeka leyana.
Yeah, no.
Umzansi nje mfethu.
Kodwa phela yilabo sikhuluma ngathi usho abantu abadunisa labo phela.
But also with girls, it's another way of selling
Sure,
the
it's-
event.
Yeah.
If you want to sell your event, like abantu who are interested in beautiful girls and people who are going to come and buy
Sure.
the most expensive bottles, that's how you sell an event.
Yeah.
Yeah, you bring them the finest girls ever.
Sure. And lento yazi bethu all abaningi baba internal of lo mpahla le. Yabo ukuthi ingane izinto
That's why amantombazane azofika early and then they take videos, they
Sure.
post on their stories so that they create FOMO. If you go on Instagram and you watch the stories, you think, yeah, kumnandi.
Zibuye endaweni okuthi.
khona ingane blind kanje.
Yeah, let me go there.
Yeah. And you sell them an illusion all of. And bayazi bazofika
But it's not
bazospend.
an illusion, shepherd.
Ah,
Yazi.
it is.
No. So yazi.
It is,
man-
dog.
eh,
At
no.
the end of the day, there's no outie would ever want to buy alcohol for another outie.
Sure.
There's no
Hayi
outie.
bo, mawufuna ukuyilokhu nje uyayithengela.
No, sengisho lutho another outie.
Hey,
Yeah,
mawufuna
sure.
ukuyilo
Ufuna
ufunda
uyishaya.
lo out,
Yeah,
ufuna uyishaya lo
Yeah,
out.
phela
bese
sekudepend
ngeke.
ukuthi
Manje
which-
ushaya ngazi ukuthi abashayeki wena.
Yabo. Mina sengikhuluma ngendlela enormal.
Why isho njalo wena? Why isho njalo?
Why isho njalo?
Cha ngikhuluma ngendlela enormal ukuthi there's no outie who wants to spend maybe say 20,000 going up and just invite guys and you're straight. You can't. Yabo. They want to, like you said, it's an ego thing.
Sure.
Yabo. The finest girls in my section are determined ukuthi zokhipha imali
Hey,
engakanani.
futhi bayimashisa dog. Hayi abahlali mfethu. Uyabuka ubone sekusela amathi lawa mfethu. Lamabhodlela lokho ehlizile futhi uyabona. Lamashita mhlambe sewuqedile uthi uclipper mfethu.
Oh, wase uhambile kuqhamuka ama-ace hawa sekengekho. Base kuvalwa ke lapho ke uma sekuza ama-ace. Hayi lelo razo lisuke selikhombisa ukuthi hayi. Sike selibone kahle ukuthi okay. Ngathi ngingedwa la. Liqalazi. Oh, ngathi ngingedwa lithi hayi.
Well, sometimes they bring, for example, she's a very known Instagram influencer.
Yeah.
And uyazi ukuthi oh yeah, bayamfuna bonke lo. And then they trick you. Bamlethe bamhlala setafuleni lakhe, and then me as an event owner or organizer or I promote, I can bring 2 aces at your table for free. Mhlawumbe ngiyazi uzovula one, the other one's going back, and then the other one lo ngala awuzobasele yona athi ha ufuna ukugcwalisela kho sefuna ukukhombisa le
Sure.
ngiyakwazi ukwenza nami alethe 4
Kanti akazi ukuthi uyashawira kumhlasi.
bayigcineni phela ipromoter but maniqabulile nina grand.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's business.
Yeah, it's a very
Yeah.
interesting business.
Very,
It's
very interesting. And there's money there, dog.
there's-
That's why ngisho ukuthi lamashita futhi ashaya mpahlane yanenyuka eshaya imali ebusuku ikhona bolo.
But ikhumbula phela ukuthi nayo yazi it's not as easy as.
Sure.
It's not like nathi mesingasuka manje sithi ayasambe siyovula i-club okanye
An event.
i-event ekanjana ngoba naku sazaba sinabangani abahle khona into ezokwenzeka you need all those tactics
Sure.
wonke lama tactics
Sure.
ukuthi amajita agcine efikile
Sure.
bethu spenda noma 50,000
Sure.
siyazi ukuthi uthenge itafula la 15 kodwa spenda noma umunye u15 just like any other store.
That's what they push you for. They give you 1 bottle of champagne, 1 Hennessy, and there's like 8 of you guys. So if there's 4 gents
Yeah.
and 4 girls, champagne ibhodlela elilodwa nibo 4
Ama
till
glass
1
Oh,
awu 4 now, yeah.
seniqedile.
Machine.
Yeah, so now you are forced ukuthi kulo 15 obu keep here, you have to spend more.
Yeah.
Yeah, because remember you got here around 3-4 because it's a daytime event.
Yeah.
3-4-5. Yeah, well, event is over around 11 ebusuku.
Yeah.
So what are you drinking from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yeah.
11?
Mfethu leya mpahla
Iba mnandi khona.
That's very psychological. and
yabo
it's
leya mpahla leya
very tough.
interesting mfethu
Kakhulu.
yazi interesting leya mpahla seclubini ngoba okay iclub iyodwa not event sasos house iclub iyodwa yabona iclub abantu abahamba iclub sebeyazi ukuthi bangafika ngo12
Yeah.
iclub izophika ngo2 am
Yeah.
and then ngo4 siyagoduka
Yeah.
yabo ukuthi u3 hours kahle lo kodwa amabhodlela echampagne
Bro,
abazowathenga
there's people who spend 200,000.
Yeah.
amabhodlela
200,000
echampagne
in 2
abazowathenga
hours.
kulo 2 hours 3 hours
Yeah.
izitimela zilibele zizile nje kanje
Bafowethu.
uthi uyabuka iy'thombe ku-Instagram mhlawumbe kunama ice buckets awu2 agcwele ama-ace ama-moet namalokhunjani amanye ama-champagne la shipile agcwele vele ubona ukuthi sesikumnandi ebusuku ngcono vele ngilala ngcono ngiyilalela eli
Hayi, but mina honest, nethwa ngavela ngahamba ngathi. Yeah,
what you say no
But-
say much
No, but see, you look at it.
Ashesha
dog.
goduka.
Yeah, no, ngihlala 30 mhlambe 20
ushepardweni
30 minutes.
nosaba amantombazane
Yeah, vele.
ushepardweni nosaba
Yeah, vele.
amantombazane
Manje
no,
usho
no.
usho
No, for
ukuthi
me,
manje
you know
ngophini.
what? Ngayibona into kumele ngiyibone, right? And 2, it pains me when I see our people spending money like that, you know, and because it's like, dog, I'm looking at it. I know I get it. Ukuthi phela kunalento ukuthi abantu vele kumele baye ngemali zabo. Yes, I get that. We're not saying people shouldn't, you know, but you look at it how much of inyuka abantu bakithi banayo manje, yabo? And so you're thinking to yourself, okay, man, if I can spend 200K, yeah, it feels good at that time, but you're thinking the 200K price into bengazenza banye abantu, you know. I'm not saying people shouldn't like eat their money. It's okay, but there are things, dog, that the 200K can go far where it's create more, you know, employment for abanye abantu. You know, you understand what I mean? I get it. Some of the guys maybe abasebenzelayo nani, but I'm talking about the kids now that obaziyo ukuthi fethu banama ideas or they want to start businesses that you can help. You know what I mean? So you look at those things and you see ukuthi say number fethu sinayo singabantu but news now man. Now imagine if we can collect that money and do other things.
but
The power we possess. That's my thing, man.
uzophinda uthola ukuthi khona ukanjalo bespenda labo bayenza futhi lento okhala ngayo
Yeah.
awuyiboni yona le
ang-
it's just unfortunate ukuthi le uyayibona manje
Yeah.
yenza phambi kwakho masele awuyiboni
Sekunjalo
ukuthi
please.
lempahla le uyayenza uyayithuna
Yeah, I'm big lock, but now my thing is okay. Bangaphi labo bantu who are doing it, you know. So that's my thing, you know, because I'm talking in terms of like a collection. You know, sangibala imali according to collection. Abantu abakhona ukuthi okay, if we can say we're putting all these 200 together, how much we can do? Because like we cannot. We know, guys, right now, bro. When it comes to indaba economy, bro, every race, bro, they are building their own economy.
But it
bro.
depends on how you look at it, Shepard.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say ngiyafika ngi-out ngizospenda u-200,000 ngenza umzekelo
Sure.
la eklabhini yabo bese okay angiqale ngithi I'm not saying i-right le ndlela abaspenda ngayo imali but ngiya-understand because somehow ayikho indlela e-right yokuthi uspende imali so ukuthi uwazamile ama-programs okanye ama-community outreach lawo majida vele aba-corrupt ayidla imali yakhe agcine engazenzanga lezo zinto or else omunye uyabona nje uspenda lo 200 like clubini it still goes a long way because kukhona abantu abaqashiwe la bazosebenza bama-bottle girls kukhona oweta kukhona o-DJ laba o-DJ abamnyama sikhuluma abantu abamnyama yabo and kwawo lo muntu ohostele even kanye club umuntu omnyama still it goes to that and then bayakwazi ukuthi so imali nendlela enjalo ukutravel inezimatches lona uyikhiphile kubangazi ukuthi uthola ukuthi kwasayena ngoba elethe la ebezo networker nomunye umuntu kanye nabanye abantu it's part of investment yakhe and uzoyibukisa uzongihleka yazi uzoyibukisisa kuphi ubokuyibukisise kahle kuma politicians okanye kulamajita kuma tender that's their space where they like to play vele because ukuze uthole attention ka so and so onemali okhona la udonsa attention kuwena and then bese kube ima yabo
So bayiwash.
ikhona nale iseceleni le bakhona ikhona nje bakhona abantu abayiwasha imali iseceleni yabo not part of lento engikhuluma ngayo
No, hey.
no iyaba ilondo sometimes
Ayamazi
amanye
no,
amaclub
bro,
ayaba bayiwashe nje
To
straight.
sum it up, how was the experience for you?
So the experience.
Yeah.
It was dope. Like I said, like those three things, those are the things that, and it made me to, because, you know, I would say like I deal with amachita cool, you know, and then when you see what is really happening, and then sengbuka ezinye izinto engikhulume ngazo ezinye no ezinye bengikhulunyiswa songazi yabo or nokuba ne-experience le enginayo yakudala so now that sengiyakubona lo ukuthi igame yambanje manje so I need to also you know khulume ngento yabo that I've also witnessed nami yabo but the experience was good and yenze ukuthi ngibone ukuthi kuseni next one na ngifike eclubini manje ngiyobona ukuthi kwenzakala
I was about to ask you ukuthi so the
Correct.
experience le
Yeah. No,
is it
club-
something le ungaphindi uyenze futhi
no ngifuna eclubini manje
club straight
club straight ngiyobona konke ukuthi kwenzakala
Zipani.
yabo so yeah man the experience was good.
Yeah, but I think yabo iclub ingaba mnandi uma ungayi-experiencer
Yeah.
even nayo i-event uma usuya next time ngathi ungayi-experiencer uthole ukuthi nathi asisasebenzi sesiya sesibhukhe itafula
everyone
nje
is there to have
sure.
fun.
ubone ukuthi
Yeah.
wena ukubone ubone I don't know ukuthi angifuni uyi-discount the fun that these guys have
No, that's what I'm saying
so-
now. Because at the end of the day, when you look at it, you know, from when you are present, you realize that this thing feels good. You know, the feeling on its own, bro. It's something that you deserve to equal they are feeling. You understand? So many times when I've been kuluma based on I understand the feeling. It's Terry, you know. But when you're there, you realize no, people are going through a lot. So being in that space for them, it's how they really processes and use it and indawo ebajabulisayo yabo. I mean, we do things differently, you know. Ngendlela nathi aw like esibalekela kuzona ezinye izinto sihlukile singabantu. So kunabantu laphana fethu, man, they get there, they become alive, you know what I mean? So sihlukile, yeah. So I think for me, dog, to be honest with you, the feeling angikwazi ukuthi discredit, dog.
Yeah. And it also helps ke manje ukuthi si understand ukuthi why amantombazana is exposed kule yanto because sesiyayibona ukuthi
Sure.
yes
Sure.
kulula ukuthi uma intombazana encane enhle
No,
ubona
uluthe.
le yanto ulutheke
Yeah, no,
because
Yeah.
yabo
Now
that's why
umchita. Ngathi nami ngiluthekile ngabona.
Exactly. I was about to
Yabo,
say.
so then that-
Seluthekile bro.
Yeah, no. Kulona.
Kangana
Yeah.
nje.
So then that is why every time when you talk about this thing, kumele emphasize kuba responsible komuntu as an individual.
Yeah.
It is also good thing to say andiyi
Yeah.
okanye to say ngizoya but ngizohamba early but
Yeah.
business strategy yabo is always ukuthi ngeke uze uhambe early because le altis blind sizolibeka ekugcineni.
Yeah.
So you must understand also those tricks so that now kwazi ukuthi musufikile right, you know what to do, you are aware in as much as umuhle ucaba enye into futhi yabona pretty privilege ikhona yes but into eyinkinga one other important thing ukuthi kukhona ingane enhle mfethu uthola ukuthi iyawabona lamanye amantombazana amahle ayayithola le access yabo nayibone and ifile ngazuthi iyayideserve le access
Sure.
but now ayibizwa kulezi ndawo
Sure.
ibese igcine yona sizi-expose ngendlela e-wrong kanti
Yeah,
si-expose
that
ebantwini aba-wrong
Sure.
so it's not akuyona i-pretty privilege ayifiki uhleli ubhale u-4 okanye wena uzuyilandele so bengingahaleli ukuthi nabo size sibanikeze leyo nto ukuthi umuntu omuhle izinto they come easy siyabazi abantu abahle abasokolayo umuntu ukuthi hey njengalo engangikuchazela ngako ukuthi wayikhalela ukuthi abanye base Cape Town yena usalile ingane enhle naye yayishaya very same thing ukuthi hayibo ngimuhle nje enkanyiswa yino ukuthi lamantombazana lawa awahambanga because basmart okanye there's any other criteria than beauty. Yayizwa lento bahambe ngoba naku ukuthi abahle banezinqe ezinkulu should nami ngidinga iPPN banamanambaza omunye azasho ukuthi hayilona ngingcono nje kunalona wahamba so izinto ezinjalo wena shipping. So I don't want you to give ubenze bacabanga ukuthi ngizoba muhle bese ngibesicabhene event bese ngizothiwa ayisamba nawe.
Yeah, I hear you, but nakho
uzodayiseka nalobo buhle bakho.
It always comes with a cost ubuhle. Kune cost obuza nayo, you know. Yeah, kakhulu.
Maintaining to.
Yeah.
While we're still on that topic, I think Uber isuka town. Bengathi ngilanda something ngendlini yabo ngikhalele Uber driver lapha.
Uber driver vele interest mnandi. Samene sikesiphathe Uber driver nje la ngibe.
Too much.
Yeah, bayabona.
Lapho khona into engathi podcast engangiyibona yabo online. Angazi baphele lapha. Isekhona.
Angiboni sakho.
Eyifethu. Oza episode.
Uthola phone call yabo so we trip la uthola phone call. Bam complainela la. Yabo ngazi noma icherry yakhe nombalo complainayo but ba complain la ulalele. Nemase drop party. Wait. Kanti amantombazana azofunda nini ukuba independent yabo? So it's just a topic of ukuthi kanti amantombazana azoqala nini understand ukuthi there's things you need to do for yourself.
Sure.
And then there's things where you can say, okay, please help me.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yena udrive Uber. Uthi I gave this person 1,000. And akasho lo muntu uthi uzolenza 1,000. Yabo. But smell 30,000 you are complaining that it's not enough. Yabo. So how is imali ongayisebenza elanga wena not enough? Worst of all, I don't know ukuthi uzoyenzani le mali. Kanti yipi imali ezoba enough? Yabo umbuzo ngoba ngifonela ungibuza ukuthi le mali engimsendele wena uzoyenzani yena?
Sure. Hey.
Like, I'm not sure ukuthi i-question engabe uyayibuza ni umuntu ophiwa imali.
What a take.
Hey, yabo bethi ubhadala bethi bi-stressekile njani. Yazi.
Iserious kakhulu le ndaba.
Be-stressekile njani.
Serious kakhulu le ndaba. Serious kakhulu. Akuyona ihula hoople.
Usho kanje.
Hayi, isinto.
Ukuthi amantombazana kanti azofunda nini kuba independent.
And as lento yeah singayibeka njengoba esikhuluma ngayo amantombazana lento le even na families ekhaya emajiteni ehlala nawo and stuff people obasupportayo or obanika something bese becelile benganalutho they are easy ukuthi ba entitled. I don't know how, but they feel so entitled about ukuthi ayibo manje uzonginika iclipper ngizolenzani iclipper, but uhlele ekhaya unalutho. Kahle ngiyakuvula yabo, angiphoqelekile ukuthi ngikunike lento enginikayo, ngisho ukuthi ayikuse yabo anginayo noma ngifuni yabo. Ngiyavuka mina ngiyakuzama and then wena usufila entitled ngokuthi mfethu ngikayi blocks angikubuzi nokubuza ukuthi uzolenzani, ngiyakunika uzongitshela ukuthi incane.
Because
Kanjani,
immediately I thought of, you know, when you're in a relationship with Intomazan and they start speaking about the bare minimums. So you can't tell me not having 1,000, not having 600 to do your nails, not having 1,500 to do your hair, not having that money, and you complain about the bare minimum.
I'm qualified.
You can't have
qualified.
standards.
You know,
and because you need to be self-reliant. With those things, I feel like those things are they bare minimum for umuntu ophilayo. Because us as gents, we don't go to. I would never go to Brian and say, hey Brian, noma Candice, tolo ungepa 200 so okund. You understand? Because it's a bare minimum for us.
Sure.
It's money that I need to have. You understand? I'm not sure if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
So seeing someone like that Uber driver complaining about something like that, for me, it raises so much question because there's very same people let's say and they always ask for the bare minimums and there's requirements when you're in a relationship. But then they failing to do their own nails, they fail to do their own makeup, they want someone to do their hair and all those things. Does it not qualify to be under the bare minimum category now? Yeah, well? Or maybe it's a topic we'll have to speak about another day.
No.
Let's singakhuluma la ngayo namanje. Athi ngenye other day. What's the trippy?
Other day and because siyakhuluma
But
ngayo.
stress.
Why is mele kuzuke na day? For me, gents, it's simple. If a girl tells you that girl, dog, like she's broke. Simple. Yeah, well, I think I don't know. Aina mali broke. Yeah, well, I think for quite some time. I mean, it took me some years to really understand Lempatla, because when you come from an environment where you know you're told to me out to provide, you know, you don't even know yourself, you don't even have the standards as the out, you end up accepting your uncle or shit umuntu umnika 1,000 athi not enough ekudakela la ebengenamali. Yabona mfethu for yabona lento ayikide ngicika njengalena bro, because for the longest time ever lezi ngane ziyakwazi ukusenza sifile small. Ngicabanga mfethu uzokwenza ufile small umuntu osahlula ukuthenga amaphedi. Amasimba ento. Nawe bro uzufile small just because I mean lo muntu lo uhlula ukuthenga amaphedi dog, but now azokutshela ukuthi 3,000 is not enough. Hoyibo, hamba spana. Go work, bro. You know, I've worked hard for this, you know. So that's the problem, because what teenagers ngama out, much that flop up because zazi, and they haven't set up a standard for themselves. That's why it's easy to always say yes to all the nonsense. You know, the minute you say no, dog, amantombazane akuvenga ufuna no. Tshele mina. Mawumchithi uzazi ukuthi ubani, awona nje mfethu uzongitshela 1,000 bengongitshela udaki, bengokuphinde unuke kumina. Never. Ngisebenza nzima uzongitshela ukuthi ngane lo mali udakiwe.
Ubunalo yini?
That's why nje mfethu yabona wathi intombazane nje yakutshela nje mfethu ukuthi kumele wenzeni, it's not enough. Unyile. Ungakutshela umuntu ohlula wayena ukuyinakekela yena. Wes ke mase uzokucomparisha ke nabanye abafana ubaba wakhe ehlulekile amzalayo. Fusek.
Lento le
Odlala laba la.
Singazibi ukuthi the society has created this.
Who's the society?
Tina as abantu.
Thank you.
Tina as abantu, because wena ungakhuluma kanjalo uthi fusek. Yezwa lo. Elinye irazo lapha. Layidedela ekinking.
Yeah, phela ishimani.
Ayikhiphe le mvalo bese thi.
Ishimani lezo dog.
Bese thi ingakanani. But yes, lento engisho ukuthi from that umuntu obuya lapha usehlangana nawe manje. And then ubuya lapha umshaya nge-1,000.
Ngiyazazi phela mina.
Yena usebuya lapha mase kwakwena sefuna kwena uthi akuse obviously sezofika uthi hayibo eyincane lempahla, and futhi akona futhi abantu futhi aba broke kuphela benza leyo. Mangithi broke ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ongasebenzi uhleli ekhaya nabantu abasebenzayo they do izinto ekanjalo.
Yeah, but mina I still say ishimani izinto njalo. ngisho mina ukuthi ishimane is emotional game dog. Ezisimise kabi
But
ishimane.
it's not just only game because uthethe uyayichaza ukuthi even nasedladleni abantu abangayazi imali baba nawo kuba entitled.
No, phela ngithi
bacabanga ukuthi labantu abenza imali khona la
no,
beyithatha khona
no, I mean I don't blame them. It's because now we don't set boundaries. If you don't set boundaries, people will always push. That's the reason why they feel
advice le
entitled.
out ke.
Give you out.
Yona lene tshelo ukuthi yona
Ukwatra.
Oh, when block, phume again. Block, phume again. Block, phume again,
But
kube nempilo.
also, Shepard,
Uzobuyela ngoba u feel as if like uyamkweleta or u feel like as if like is enough, maybe uyisiqubula uyashisa, that's why once wamthethe yabona mfethu musana lo mqondo okuyitshela ukuthi usaba ukuthi intombazane izokushiya ngoba nakho inhle uyisinayi iphisi yakho ikudla every day lethu usaba ukuthi I want no lo thekeni izokushiya oh ibuka kahle bu singaka.
But Shepard, mangibuyela kakhulu le yasemndenini. Le yasemndenini nakhona njengoba usho ukuthi because we don't set boundaries.
Sure.
Angithi yabo. Yonke leyo nto izinto lezi sesifunde manje ngoba usuhlukanile nemali. Before ubungayazi lo because manje kunalento obuyishaphe unembeze sedladleni family members angithi makhala unakho kumele uvele.
Yeah,
Angithi yabo and then ngalokho bayajwayela
sure.
bese gcine ususebenzeka
Yeah.
ngoba akusayisaphumi ngendlela eright usuyasebenzeka sebefila entitled ukuthi uShepard mayiholile o makuphela inyanga fanele
Yeah.
into ethize yabo
Yeah.
igcinisi into so how do you set boundaries from the beginning?
That's why I said most of the time, and I would say, well, you see, therapy is very good because if you go on therapy helps you. Good bakfundi is how to set boundaries, how to say no. You know, nami mfethu benginelo nkinga yokustrugglation nokuthi no. But the day I started going on therapy and I realized the importance of setting boundaries, even in a car. I think it's 6 years ago now.
Serious?
Yeah, almost 6. Yeah, before COVID. Yeah. So even as a car, dog, like you learn to say no to even family members. Yabo phela thina mfethu siyazi sikhule environment where umuntu avela igele ayingenele nje erumini yakhe ayidalele yabo without even asking for permission or asking into yakhe. I feel as if like ayakho umuntu onento yakhe la. That's nonsense there. Mfethu umuntu unento, you gotta respect into umuntu and nokufunda ukuyicela. So kuningi mfethu thina okwenza kugcina sesinormalize noma kungekho grand.
Yeah.
You know, in our families as last buya khona. So I'm saying mina that's why it's important, dog, to attend therapy because they really teach you how do you set up boundaries, how do you learn to say no to the people that you love. I gabi gahle for the sake of iphisi yakho.
So le out ayiye ku therapy. But
No. I'm not saying he shouldn't go to therapy. I mean, he should go to therapy right now.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying, but it's good. He must go to therapy. But what I'm saying is, in a situation, man, I get it. In a situation, man, mina change up it. Intenje enga limazu moya wakhe. Wala nje wathi khala ku ace. Okhomisa ukuthi akekho grand. Yabo. So manje lento
engakhale entombini yakhe
no,
vele khala
isho ukuthi ilento yethu mfethu yokwenza into esazi kahle ukuthi iyasilimaza. Yabo lento mfethu yokwenza into knowing very well deep down ukuthi uyalimala but you still do it. And the question is why do you keep on doing it knowing very well iyakuhle. And lento okudayisa into engaphezulu kwamandla akho iyona sha.
Isukaphi?
Ilento ongazazi.
Bro, mlenda iqala manje.
Yeah, I get it.
Njengoba sikhule ivele yenzeka.
Yeah.
Ayizwa lona. Etsida edladleni. Ithama noma iantiza noma uba. Lo de tokubambe kanje umndeni. One man. Mawukhumbula sikhuluma uesehleli lapho ekhuluma ukuthi ioledi belisipana kanjani kodwa angithi akhumbula echaza istory sakhe.
Yeah.
From that ioledi belibambe kanje ifamily.
Manje kumele ngiyibambe kanje.
Angithayeza but ngisho ukuthi so awukwazi ukuthi futhi umcindezele kakhulu umuntu.
No, we have to.
Yes.
No, we have to, guys. We have to put an end to this thing.
Because
I was a
but because now you know.
Yeah.
Usuyazi manje. Usucindezelekile, usuyazi, uexperienceile le.
Sure.
So ingakho ku easy.
No, I hear what you're saying.
Ukuthi ku easy ukuthi ukhulume ngale ndlela okhuluma ngayo. Angithi ayizwa leyo.
Yeah.
And njengoba usho futhi namanje uthi wena usizwe itherapy.
Yeah.
Angithi yabo I can't afford therapy.
No, you can't. Everybody can
Man,
afford therapy.
ngiyakubuza,
It's
I
just an
can't.
excuse.
What
No,
do you mean?
It's an excuse, bro, that people have. That
Nginenkinga
therapy
efana
is
neya,
expensive.
but I can't afford therapy.
You can't afford therapy.
Yeah, ngenza
Ayikho
njani-ke
loo.
mina?
Everybody can afford therapy, dog. It's just that people choose to say they can't afford it. Why? Because I feel like therapy is like a mirror, dog. A lot of people don't
Then
want to
tell
go
me
there.
ukuthi angibhekane nemirror ngikhulume nemirror.
Yeah, of course. Like, it is your
Put
mirror.
it kanjalo.
Ekuvezela ukuthi
Asitheni
unjani.
Uber driver hamba ubhekane nemirror akhulume kwimirror athi say whatever
But
kwimirror.
I'm not
Shepard,
saying like that,
yes,
though.
yes, Shepard, man. I was looking for like an advice for umuntu position ka Uber driver, taking into account lento eshoyo, taking into account lento eshoyo uTed. I'm not saying wrong okanye unjani. UTed ngiyamuzwa. uTed uthi lento ichazayo right, but so ichaza ngazi ukuthi uchazela umuntu owaziyo. Ichazela umuntu ongazi. Because nomjita yena akazi ukuthi bubunyoni ukwenza lento ayenzayo. No, Shepard. Khona abantu abenza izinto bengazi. Yabo lo mjita utho ukuthi ukuspoil intombi yakhe. Akazi ukuthi ukuspoil intombi kokuqala ku right, but to an extent then uba nyoni. Akakwazi lokho. Wazi ukuthi nje umuntu ethekeni uyiphatha grand ibe umuntu wakhe yamprovide. But abe confused ithekeni mase ingasanalisiki. So ilento athi ichaza ukuthi you are not wrong, but make it so that umuntu wena you are also privileged ngokuthi usune awareness, usune information,
Exactly.
experienceile lento, but khona ama out angazi.
All of it masibombe mfethu. Ngeke bro. Yabona manje, to be honest with you, we see right now, amachitamaningi, they are buying to the culture that they know very well ukuthi they can't afford that lifestyle, but they're putting themselves in a position where just because
Angithi ngikufake icathulweni
No,
zale
bayazi
out.
mfethu. No,
Wathi ngifake icathulweni zale out so
Sure.
that uzoyi-understand
Sure.
lento. Umbali nangu uhlala la few houses away. Ngihlala la siselokishini ngenza umzekelo. Uyashisa lo muntu njalo ngiyambona uyahamba yesithawu. Mhlawumbe ukuya kwakhe esawu kuyoshayela izinto zasemaklabhini nani. Kube sekube ukuthi kodwa uyabuya ngiyambona uyashisa usanokuhlala lapha kuba phuma thini. Ngiyayishaya ngaye but ngiyabona very well ukuthi mangingena lapha
Uyalimala.
ngikwazi vele
Yeah.
ngingene nje. Yabo? Kumele ngitete istyle.
yabona ngilapha.
Iyona-ke
Lalela.
phela into esiyifunayo
Yes,
leyo.
yes.
Iyona-ke
Iyona
into
kumele
esiyifunayo.
ilungisiwe.
Iyona into
Iyona
kumele
i-solution
ilungiswe.
from lapho.
Ukuthi don't punch above your weight.
Yeah.
Kodwa uzokwenza njani?
Exactly.
Shepard.
Why?
Shepard.
Ungenelani? Wazi.
Uzodila kanjani-ke naleyo nkinga umbone uBeyonce TV-ni uthi wena uBeyonce angeke ngim-afford modle kakhulu.
Yakumafote vele ufuna uyapi uyaphi. That's my thing. Like, why do you like it's the same thing with amachita that go for these hands that amashisa. You know very well. Like, you know.
You can't tell.
No, wait.
Shepard.
Wait.
Ayasho yini? Ayasho yini?
Wait.
Awuchazele.
Bahlukene. Khona bethabasiwa ukuthi and nabo they are proud. Bayakusho ukuthi siyamashisa thina. It's a lot. Then you come wena. Then uyazi ukuthi uyamashisa. Uyazi futhi akala mahloni ukuthi uyamashisa. Ufike wena. Usuqala uzomsave. Emashiseni usuthi hayi baby. Ahlale. Oh, thrower. Hayi bozodlala kathi. It's exactly the same thing, dog. Ukuthi amachita angena phezu kwigame ebona ukuthi awaqualify. That's why I'm now emphasizing develop yourself, bro. Be in your lane as out.
Shepard ngathi
Same.
understand amantombazana.
Ushiftile mfethu. Ushiftile.
Ngishifte kanjani?
Ushifte in a way ukuthi ngithe mina naye out umntwana esekasi. Angithi yabo ibhekene nalento le wena osufacane nayo waze wathola usizo
Lwayo.
therapy because now ubungayiboni bufana le tsotsi. Eyo.
Emshwana ubayisekile
Kaningi vele.
Yeah, for sure.
Kaningi.
Manje ke
That's why I
wathi
think I
awukwazi
saw-
No,
ubhayisiseka.
angazi kanjalo. Kaningi mina spoke about amaphutha amaningi ama relationship,
But
dog.
angithi lento esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ke senza kanjani ukuthi le ntwana le ingayitholi naye isingena kule trap.
Khuluma yes.
I know, mina support into isho.
Ba-
My greatest advice would be to say, mhlampe, you're setting up your boundaries for yourself.
Sure.
Because it's easy to get into a relationship neni understanding kanti akuyona into ezokwenza ku relationship yabo. So mina that's what I told him. Ngathi bro, ekugcineni if lo muntu sumjwayezela ukumnikeza imali, le mali is not enough. Mhlawumbe usukamnikeza imali engaphezulu kwale. Yabo? So in her head mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi unaye yabo kanti wena iyona oyiphantile.
Nobhebe uhlezi esemsebenzini kanti usebenzani? Ubhebe mangifone
understand.
uhlezi ethi uyoshayela imoto.
And
Kanti
nomndeni
yini la
njalo,
isebenza
Fred.
amatshe yini noma?
Nasedladleni kuzoba
Manje
kanjalo.
uzomnika kanjani
Awuyasebenza.
R1000 kodwa uhlezi usemsebenzini every day?
And
So-
uyasebenza. Nasedladleni njalo.
Siyabona
Uyasebenza,
futhi uyasebenza. I-busy app la, come on.
Awungizama
Letha
mfethu.
something.
Uyasebenza.
In a relationship,
Usebenza matshe.
when I would always say, set a boundary for yourself. Just know you have limits, yabo. Ukuthi ngiyakunikeza imali, but if owazi ukunikeza umuntu imali, isitshela ukuthi from get go, understand it from beginning. Ukuthi mfethu, there is money, but there's not money for every day.
Sure.
Yabo. Because uzoyijwayela and then mase ijwayela uzoyidemand. Njengoba phela sayicela umuntu, bese
Uyayidemand.
sayidemand.
Yazi mfethu siphe esinye isitayile esibhlungu. Engazi ukuthi asisinaka ngwale sikhuluma nale conversation. Kukhona ukuthi uthandana nentombazana, Shepherd. Uyibona ukuthi yabo le ntombazana le ayikho kwi level yami. Yabo? In terms of anginamali, angiyimisele ngokukhipha imali naye iyazi ukuthi ayizimisele iyazi ukuthi awuzimisele ukukhipha imali. However, kunendlela yena akwazi ukwenza ngayo imali. Wena mhlawumbe ufike uzokwenza into yakho la mhlawumbe nizwanela nithini but kumnandi mfethu ukuhlala genuinely like kumnandi siya enjoy masiso u2 but kodwa ighost kumele ahambe ayokwenza lezi zinto zakho ukuzenza imali because lale kwicase kanjalo wena usuyi out uyitshela ukuthi yazini ngizophanda noma ngimnikeze noma 500 kanye blocks so that engayifili leyo need ukuthi
But it will never be enough for
No,
them.
it will never be enough.
but
Umuntu
uthola
ophumayo.
ukuthi uyazama mfethu umufake nje lo blocks yakho ngathi unikeze u10 rand
Wenzani? Uyenzelani lonto? Uyenzelani lonto?
I was
Lo muntu
reading
wethu-
today,
Wait, what are you doing?
Basketball player about Kevin Durant.
Yeah.
La mjide kuthiwa mfethu unama rules ku relationship.
He's spent, dog. He's living his life ngendlela yakhe.
Ukuthi there's no ngizofika empilweni yakho with nothing and expect a
Yeah.
lot from you, yabo.
No.
He even makes you sign contracts.
NDA.
Yeah.
Ha,
and-
i-contract is
yeah.
It's
Ukuthi
important.
you have to try something. You have to have something going on for yourself.
Yeah. That's why
Data yena.
balekile fesu. Yabona the minute dog you put yourself
uzuthi crash yakho nje la athi kumele kube ukuthi at least unama-business ambalwa or
Yeah.
something
I think it's
noma
better.
une-onlyfans mhlawumbe onlyfans mhlawumbe ushaya imiliyoni ewiki
Yabo mina
hayi ungathini teke no-onlyfans ushaya imiliyoni ewiki vala
nama I think it's fair if kanjalo.
fake ku-silent
Yabo,
that
I think it's fair if kanjalo ke ukuthi I come with this, you come with something.
ngoza ngikwenzeni
Then mayinjalo it's fair. Singakhuluma into ehambayo eqondile mayinjalo.
Yeah,
But mazofika ukuthi I come with something and when you come with nothing but now you
nisa
entitled
kude
of
ku-Kevin Durant ngaba ngilanda la elokishini
and manje futhi lempahla le
ninisa kude kakhulu bafethu yabo manje le nto enizama ukuyikhuluma ngeke ibisa-relate nisenenza ngazi ukuthi manje nina nazi anikaze nidlule kulezi zinto uzomsayinisa kanjani i-contract umuntu kuwena omunye omfunile umbone ukuthi uyashisa lo muntu ubhatlava uthola ukuthi wayemdilive samuel lo muntu wamshela uzomfana usayinisa umthini i-contract ubumshela lo muntu because usamshela umbuza ukuthi uzanani le relationship uwena oyidayisayo kuyena more than ukuthi kube
I get
uyena
it, but what
oyidayisayo
S is trying to say is that you gotta set your own rules as a man.
But into ebalulekile first is you as a man working on yourself and achieving
Exactly.
and be successful so that
That's
you
what
can
he's
be able
saying.
to set those rules.
Yeah, of course.
No, but kodwa kungabi ukuthi manje out uyayiphantela sekuthiwa
suwenza ma
bese kuthiwa
NDA,
ayisukwenza
hey.
bese kuthiwa usukela influencer fethu okanye ithekeni oyibonayo ukuthi right kanjani
But that's what S was saying.
ngiclean ngiyageza obhatlava baclean bayageza
Uba wathi ama-influencer funeka abe nama-demands nama-standards amanga.
I don't know
Any
you
woman
can
for
tell
that
me.
matter. Who said that?
Ukuthini
Ukuthi kumele babe
men must
nama-demand.
provide generally
Hayi futhi wonke umuntu must provide now.
hayi indoda izodla umduduko wayo
Ayikho
fethu
lonto, wonke umuntu
ngeke
must provide
ukwazi
now.
ngeke
Fethu
ukwazi
umuntu unama-responsibility ukuthi nawe kumele uyinakekele.
noma uyi-out ihambe
Hayi.
ujulukela umndeni wakho
Yeah.
not amantombazane but ujulukela umndeni wakho
But-
not amantombazane unga-encourage ama-out ukuthi angahamba ayosebenza
I didn't say that.
yeah so
I
but
didn't say
musuthi
that.
wena
No, but-
makangaprovide
no,
ususho
I-
yini
no.
because bona
No,
baprovida
no, I
ngendlela
did not say that. I did not
bona
say abanga
baprovida ngendlela
provide.
ezi-wrong
I did
God.
not say abanga provide. I
Yeah.
didn't say that. But my problem is when we're gonna say men must provide, bro, as if like women mustn't
For umndeni
provide for
wakho
themselves.
mfethu. Yes,
For
it
your
would be
family.
great as a man ukuthi ube successful in a sense ukuthi umndeni wakho unkosikazi wakho awadingi emsebenzini. Lalela there's very important yabo leyo nto leyibaleka kakhulu ukuthi ngeke thina sibulelekanga kuyona. Uyabona mfethu ezi out. Yabo umusu wealth lokugcina ngci ufro wakhe kwazi ukukhulisa ingane zakhe engaye emsebenzini. Ingane zakho zikhula ngendlela right ngestructure. Kunalento ukuthi niphume noba uthi nihambe niyosebenza.
I get that.
Ingane zihlale noneni okanye zikhuliswe isystem yesikole. Yona le system yesikole
Azinazi.
singayithembi. So kubalekile ukuthi uyi-out ukuthi wena usebenze kanzima ukuthi ufro wakho akwazi ukuthi ahlale la endlini anakekele izinto zala ekhaya. If unamabhizinisi kumele kodwa be-aware ukuthi emabhizinisini asekhaya kwenzakalani why
Yeah.
likhulisa umndeni.
Yes.
But not ukuthi uphume uyosebenza ekuseni ngo-6 nofro uyaphume uyosebenza no.
I get that. But you know,
Ingakho kumele sibe rich okanye
Of
sibe
course.
wealthy shepherd.
That-
So that ofro bethu bangasokoli.
that is what I live for, dog.
Yeah.
Hence, I'm not employed. I'm self-employed. I'm peace, log. My thing is when we promote in the Baguti, men must provide as if like
Ibona abaprovide la emgaqweni lezi intombi abayishelayo.
Asisho lapho,
Asisho
sisho thina in
lapho
family.
thina. Asikhulumi
Your
sisho
own
umndeni.
family.
Now, that's-
But
that's
umusu
different.
i-ident-
Nah,
yes.
nah, that's different.
But
now.
umusu i-ident-
Sengkhulumeni into must need family.
No,
Yeah.
Shepherd.
I'm sure with family.
Ah,
time.
No,
Shepherd,
phela
mina-
bona you must understand ukuthi bona provide endaweni ezi-wrong and that's not what we are encouraging.
That's what you're saying now.
However, akuvele kuqhamuke sewumndeni kuqale kuqhamuke kuwumjolo ne-out ifike izibone ibone ukuthi hayi lo ngizomshaya.
Awuthi uqala emjolweni ukuprovide.
Ikhodi iphakethe
Uqala
ukuthi
khola ngithi emjolweni.
uba
uprovide.
uqalelani ukuya emjolweni ukuprovide.
Wenzani ngathi emjolweni?
Uqala wenzani uyaphi unayo imali yokuprovide emjolweni wena. Unemali yokuprovide emjolweni. Azodlala la. Akazodlala. We shepherd nathi sigileke kakhulu. We provide tani emjolweni. Enza sure ukuthi yonke into ethi right. Would ni grand yonke into convenient but yokuprovide I forgot. No. Jolani nengane eziphume emakhaya right
I know
okanye
that-
nazo ezi-right.
No, that's important.
Yes.
No, that one is very important.
Yeah.
I think balance is, it becomes more easy even how to navigate the relationship, especially when you have a girl that is well balanced in terms of your background. Background is important. It's just that many of us, we focus on my background, and ibalulekile kakhulu
And
phela.
asifundiswanga mfethu ukuthi kumele
We're not.
ukhethe
Even with
intombazane
Pluto
enjani.
relationship as
Yeah.
well, sometimes it's very important because I think in most states, which is what I've also learned for myself, ukuthi sometimes get Caesar, especially if we season where you're still trying to find, a partner, ukuthi just be around female energy and just have a friend.
King
That is a
abasexualize kakhulu
you know.
amathi awasexualize
Kanjani?
kakhulu amantombazane.
That's the thing, bro. Like it shouldn't be about that.
Access
though.
wasondele eduze kwentombazane usubona ngazo ukuthi hey kumele.
Sometimes, yeah, exactly. That's the problem. It's all about you miss out on a girl that was brew. And if just got this, yeah. I thought you miss out on the girl dog that was going to be the one for you, but chop. Thought she was there in that season of your life to help you heal from women. Bro, personally, dog, there was a period after like my ex-fiance where I hated women so much. I was so bitter, say all type of things.
So awuhila lapho.
No, I'm fine now,
Are you sure?
And, no, I'm just saying, like, there were type of women
Oh, sure,
no, it's not about
Why you sure?
No, I'm
Njani?
telling you for real.
Why
dog.
you so John? Why you so healing?
No, it's okay, man.
Therapist don't
You don't sound like uhilile.
No, I
boy.
said
Therapist.
You don't sound like you've
But I mean, I
healed,
think, yeah,
dog.
this is where I'm going with
You
this.
haven't.
Learning
You
lead.
haven't healed.
This is
See
where
the
I'm going.
therapist, John.
This is where I'm
Why
going.
you sure? Njani?
No, I know some credit. No, believe me, saying that.
Faith, was nigga na therapist gisha call back.
Claire, the nigga.
Please call Shepherd to heal
This is what I'm saying. But I'm
Sorry.
But see, in that period, there are females, bro, that you're gonna meet along the way. That's gonna be the one, bro, that show you a different side of umuntu's mom. You know what I mean? Where they nurture you. Where lapo butinga kona somebody to nurture you as a female. And the relationship is so Pluto. You don't even think of chopping. Somehow they're helping you to navigate impilo or heal. Kule season and many of us talk. That's why baleki ukuthi udiscern dog ama relationship or ohlangana nawo along the way. So what I'm trying to say is sometimes kuyasiza fethu kuba nabangani babantu besimame
Bese
while you're in
kubalulekile,
season,
kubaluleke
dog,
kakhulu,
where you're not dating.
baluleke kakhulu Shepard.
Yeah.
Baluleke kakhulu. Mina uzorealize mina ngizwana namathekeni ayinqwaba.
Sure.
And sekuze kwafikela kwi-point where we are all comfortable. Ngokuthi, okay, maybe I'm fortunate ngokuthi I can set boundaries and they can set boundaries as well. And the reason why omunye umuntu ongathi make ngibuka dide ukuthi why amathekeni emthanda kangaka lo because bayazi ukuthi mahlangene ubungani there's nothing else. Uyithila umngani mhlawumbe ubumngani bese kuba umngani onebusiness lokuthi kuzoshuthwa kutheni because amantombazane ayithanda ithombe. But kukhona lokho yabona mfethu bangase ngikubalela amathekeni engizwana na I can tell you exactly ukuthi lo uplan ngento ukuthi lo plan ngento ukuthi lo plan ngento ukuthi lo plan lo ngenza into ukuthi naye lo ngenza into ukuthi naye ama elements amanye ongakwazi kwathola ema outing ongakwazi kwathola yabona nomunye umngane wami mfethu wasegoli kuthiwa noSipho yabona mangikhulume nale yangane yase ukuthi ngacishe ngenza mistake because ngacishe ngamshela mfethu
Ngiyabona ke ngikhuluma
yabona lapho ngacishe ngabhayiza ngare but sabona ukuthi mfethu lokuzwana kwethu ukuthi saba ne connection different but sabona ukuthi lokuzwana kwethu akugona lokho kokujola
intimacy baba.
Yeah.
Engathinti
ongakwazi uyithinta
ritual baba. Where my connection leyo? Was no.
hey message
Wake up.
wake up motherfucker hey Shepard so yakunezinto ezinjalo mfethu I think we can ngamele sizama ukwacela ama mfethu awukuyifundisi nje ujwayele kuba umngani nentombazana kube ukuthi umngani
Sure.
yabo
Yeah.
ilokho nje mfethu makashilo kanjani lapho
Thini makashu.
Candice mngani wami.
Ngiyezisa umngane. Yes. Mfethu kodwa Shepard let's go back. Sesihambe kakhulu netopic yethu. Kanti bekumele siqhubeke sithathe kwi sessionini lebeninayo ngeweekend kwi live conversation. Ngiyazi ukuthi sesingene kakhulu kwile. Yeah. Sesihambe kangakanani vele please?
As my shit dog. We're done our
Kushuthi iyona ke
close.
ngizomela si.
Yeah.
But on our next episode we really all at it.
No, mina ngifuna ukuthi kuyona le topic le. I feel like also siyadingana sobabili yabo in a way ukuthi I pour to you and then you pour also mina angithi yabo was creating that balance. Into esiyenze kakhulu njengoba usho ukuthi you met this woman kulesikhathi that you were going through hell angithi yabo and wena awubonanga konke lokho because of wabona umuntu and stuff kanti wayelapha to help you heal and stuff but into kanjalo wayibuka wayibona leyo usuyibona late usurealize late ekurealizing lokho have you ever think of wena what did you do for her in that space?
I feel like I met, I think there were two of them, and I fuck it up because I wanted to chop, you know, and later, you know, when say communicate now, that's when I realized because you know when someone obona mfethu whenever like you go through so much at that time, but it's like they know what you're not okay, and they reach out at the right time, you know, and they're like, hey, what's going on, you know, are you okay, you know, and you know this is the only person, bro, okwazi ukuthi ukhulume naye ube wena angakujudge, like, and they know how to say the right thing, you know, at the right time, and you feel like, you know what, you really appreciate uphile same time mawukhulume naye, you know. Lapho sengikubona we're not in the same city anymore. Sesiyakhuluma, I'm like, this was the person, but ngasuke nga-emotion ukuthi ngifune ngichop. Kwaba uyena futhi osho ukuthi nah dog, you can't chop.
Hey man,
You know, I see you as someone that I really care about because of inhliziyo na and how you are as a guy. you know, but I don't see you, you know, romantically, you know. So I feel like you are my friend because somehow there were times where now you were there for me when, you know. So like what you're saying right now with pouring to each other and all of that. So basically.
but amajita wayibuka njalo vele athathe ukuthi friend zone
No, it's not, dog.
but
It's
vele
not.
athathe yabo mangingafika
It's
kuwena
not,
ngithi
bro.
mina ngifuna umbali ngithi hayi Shepherd yazi lo mntwana uvele wathi ngiboneza umngane.
But it's not about a chopper all the time, man. You know, I think sometimes you just need that female energy that's gonna be around you, just to learn about female nature. You know, because there's like dog, because you have a lot of female friends. You know how women think now, because you're exposed to beautiful women, and the conversation is different when you're surrounded by beautiful women. Kunezinye izinto futhi pick up how ifunda as out. So kuba lula when you're dating now. You see umuntu wakho mase behave ngendlela ukuthi ekusay. Imagine man, you don't even have female friends. Abahle naba understand ukuthi game ihamba kanjani manje. Kwenzakalani kwena. That's why ugcina manje usupossessive, usufuna ukuchecka yonke into, ubona ama athi shama likes lapana, so uwelo ubani manje lo like her. You know why? Because you don't have female friends, dog, that understand ukuthi abantu besimame benza kanjani. Because if you have female friends, bazokutshela if esezama ukugaslight ugele ukuthi if it's akenyenza kanje is up. You don't know all of that because when uthi ufuna ukuchoppa yonke into. Yabo lot. So kuyakusiza bro to have like female friends that are going to help you to understand females how they think.
But also you understand ukuthi lento yenzeka and both sides
Sure.
actually. Amajita na amachiri. Nehlangane nazane nibe sharp nomuntu moya everything niyatholana ku-grand. And then nefike kuleso stage kuyinto futhi enivumelene nanana nibone after ukuthi no sifike osesenze into engabe afanelanga ngabe senzile
Sure.
because we were good ngale ndlela le angithi yabo because mangikhulume nawe this is how I feel after angithi yabo naye kunendlela yakhe afila ngayo made qeda ukukhuluma nawe and stuff kunezinto mfethu that enokwenza engachazeki mfethu angithi yabo ongeke ukhona ukuthi uzibeke nje ukuthi okay mase kwenzeka kanje so sekukanjani.
Sure.
But now how do we see lezinto and the word go masiqala hlangana nalabantu because siyakhuluma phela lento yonke lento iqala from conversation from having conversation.
Sure.
We're having conversation and then the next thing yonke into iyamasha.
Ngicela ukuphendula Thethi vethu.
Please.
Yabo kuleyo nto. Khona umngane wami engake ngamxoxela nge-experience yami engaba nayo noSipho. Wathi umngane wami vethu ngiya-understand lento odlula kuyona. I go through the very same thing but mina the only difference between mina nawe ukuthi mina ngishadile. So njengoba ngishadile whenever there is these connections nalamantombazana we know ukuthi there's nothing that we can do because ngishadile. And then kuba lula ukuthi uyi-interpret because it's a form of energy that is very different because most of us intimacy asiyazi.
Yes.
Dog.
Yes.
Yabona for example ifethu mina ngike ngajola ukuze nami ngize ngi-understand ngike ngathandana nomunye usisi owayenga-understand ama-friendships enginawo nabangani bami ukuthi hayibo why uthi umngani kodwa lo muntu ulele kanje kuwena e-restaurant nihleli ku-couch ulele kanje aka-under wathi wayichaza ukuthi nabangani benu ni omunye umngane wami owe-out emotweni uhamba nomngani wethu uhamba nentombi yakhe ngemuva umngani wethu udla iyogathwa bese wamfida ithekeni ihleli la naba bayazi they do not know that form of friendship ukuthi akona ama-friendships akanje yabo so those types of energies are not really easy to interpret because umuntu okanjalo uyakwazi ngisho nokukufonela athi mfethu ngicela ukuvakashela yazi I'm not feeling well azolala kwakho nilale noba uthu noma nilale embhedeni different noma nilale endaweni eyi-one but kungekenzeki lutho asijwayele i-intimacy singabantu standard period and umuntu mengakuxoxela ngayo because they are feeling khumbula wena you only get to be intimate nomuntu ojola naye isikhathi esiningi thina into ebheda kakhulu we cannot even intimate amajita soba uthu kanje yabona thina soba uthu asikwazi kuhlala la endlini sihlalele without playing PlayStation okanye music or anything okanye utho ukuthi siyayixoxela when I got to experience that kind of intimacy nama out ngangize ngiyibuza ukuthi hey ngeke mfethu lento kuthiwa abantu abagay uyayizwe but we understand because asiyenzi wena uma uhlele espacini uhleli nentombi yakho ilele kuwena nibambene ninjani okanye niyakhadlisha it's never just about any other person than okanye uthola ukuthi omunye kufortunate ukuthi kubo kunengane ezincane ingane ezincane playful iyakwazi ukugijima izohlala kwena okanye kubambe noma kanjani then you can get to experience it there but iphelela lapho once they reach a certain age even nasendlini that intimacy iyaphela because kuba nama boundaries into kanjani that's how I can best explain it as far as I know.
Genius.
I mean, if it's someone, I think I have a friend.
Unamo Ace.
I have someone I call like a genuine friend, and she's a female. And there's nothing I think of her more than that. Yeah, she can walk around naked. I don't care.
Ngeke ba understand ke leyo part
Yeah,
abantu.
that's what I-
Ukuthi
that's
kunentombazane
what I see
uyamazi umngane esimuhle kanjani uyacabanga ke out usuyitshela ukuthi no umngane amuhle kanje kodwa uyakwazi ukuhamba enqunu okanye ukushintsha phambi kwami kanje ngeke baze bayikhona.
Yeah, give me
Topic.
even like we use terms like ngibiza ngobhuti for sometimes bhuti wami kunjani because that's what I see
Because nabo but kodwa na ususaba ukuthi I awufuni kuyiregister enqondweni ukuthi intombazana le ngi-intimate kanje nayo but only kwi-friendship level.
Yeah, and we speak about everything. We don't speak about only in again in terms of relationships. We speak about when I say everything, I mean everything.
Yeah.
Like sometimes I call her because I need an advice. Mhlampe ngentenze ekhaya yabo. Sometimes ngentenze akubo. Sometimes it's financial related. And we always encourage each other to say if it's as much as Zwana, but let's have that thing if we are supportive of men and not because konto ifuna but mhlambe konto ifuna we achieve yabo. That those are the types of conversations we have now. Yabo ukuthi if it's intombazane but iba intombazane independent, we always push her for that. Be an intombazane but independent, have your own things, work on yourself before you expect something from guys. Yabo some committed samajita sebenza kanje. We will never ever say ungakhulumi noba because those are choices ukuthi ukhuluma noba yabo awukwazi umnikeza advice kanjalo umuntu but I can always encourage you to say thatha ama decisions are wise yabo ukhulume noba okay but ungadependele kuleyo nto yabo have your own things. That's what we speak about. But in terms of friendship and intimacy, bro, ngamfica endlini silele siyavakashelana yabo, silele kusofa. Uthi mhlambe se 3 of us.
Cuddly.
Yeah, silele nje silele kena. And njengoba esho unkanyiso there's been times where mhlambe mina I don't have a girlfriend yabo and I haven't had a girlfriend in a long time. So akekho umuntu ongifune ngiphendule kuyena ukuthi why ngumngani wakhe yabo. But amantombazane engikhuluma nawo every time I question ukuthi why do you always say this is your friend?
Kodwa nenza 1 or 2.
And in a group of friends njoba sona kanje bonke lova bam bana intombi. And it always comes as a question kuyintombi zabo ukuthi nina akuyena umngani wenu lo yani. So my question is always siba u5 so do you really think ukuthi siba u5 intombi yethu le? Yabo because nalo umunye accuse ukuthi intombi yakhe nalo kuthi intombi yakhe nalo kuthi intombi yakhe nalo kuthi intombi yakhe and it's never the case when imesindaweni it's just fun and games phela yabo and then that intimacy unkanyisa khuluma ngayo ukuthi sometimes uyangifica ngisimile naye ngimsibambene yabo because umngani wami yabo mhlambe naye mase usethe ama boundaries athi I know mfethu awusawazi ungibamba then that's fine.
And lo mabhandles aqhamuka yena mase ne out enga understand okanye wena usunentombi enga understand. But once wahlukana nalo muntu it's back to normal now again ukuthi mfethu lo uyahlanya lo uyena akayifundiswa ngesimisi kubo kanye akayijwayele.
Because uyakwazi mfethu ukuthi ubuthi une partner kube khona izinto ezitshela umngani wakho lo but ipartner yakho ungayitsheli.
Yeah.
You know, you can do that. And kuba ngazi ukuthi it's unfair to your partner. Kanti they haven't created a space for you to even trust them.
Yabona ke leyo part ke shit leyo ukuthi umuntu you must create a space so that umuntu akwazi ukuthi share nawe information thizeni okanye izinto thizeni nawe. It's very important ukuthi uthi wena why ungangitshela indaba zakini ngizokutshela kanjani indaba zakini wena masingaqabana manje ngithuka ngoma
Yeah, kanti-
ngithuka ngento engikuxoxeleyo
kanti umngane wakho lo family you are able to be intimate naye ngeindaba zakini angakukhumbuzi kanti upartner wakho you can be physically intimate naye ungamtsheli
kodwa
indaba
ungamtsheli
zakini
indaba zakhe
ayitshele just because you are physical intimate naye
Ngicabanga ukuthi
uzomtshela neindaba
kanti hhayi,
zakini
no.
anga-understand why kulo mngane wakho female kodwa ukwazi ukukhuluma kuyena ungakwazi.
aziwa ama-conversation enefonini abona ukuthi yabona
They're not ready for this one. They think just because lala ndawonye kumele hayi bo Jesu.
asivaleni bafethu asivalise mnandi bridge shepisi let's catch you on the next one bafethu beautiful one asi benginga-understand sisho sazama ukuyiplana bengeke ukuyiplana into enje ayiplane i-podcast danke mantshiteni danke mzala danke
mhlobo.
Hey, mfethu, Hey, amajiteni
Nah, this was dope.
asihlangene mfethu.
That was dope. That was
Basihlangene,
crazy.
mfethu. Hey, mfethu.
And yabuza kuthiwa kanjani?
Kanjani?